Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to detect the food recipe only using a picture with Cici Ai. How to do that? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So the first step you need to do, of course, you need to install this Cici Ai first. And here I'm using my Android phone. And if you are the user of the iPhone or iOS, then don't worry because you can install it from the App Store. And after the installation process is done, then you can simply open it and do the login first with your email. And this is the opening from the Cici Ai. And since we will do the detection or food recipe detection, then we will go to the conversation first. We will click this menu up here on the chat, and after that I will go to discover and image recognition, and after that I will go to find the food. Just click the food and there you go. You can find the food recipe recognition. You can click it. And this is the opening of this chatbot for detecting or recognize the food recipe from the picture. Then you can start off to click this camera button that will help you to upload the picture. Click it, and after that it will start to direct you to picture or capture a food from this camera, or if you would like to upload it from the picture in the gallery, then don't worry because you can select a picture, for example here, and I will type the question, what is the recipe, what is the name of this dish and the recipe, and enter. And after that this AI will start to detect and will respond you about this picture. So it named the sate ayam or satay that usually familiar in Indonesian and Malaysian. And also these are the ingredients of this menu or this dish, and also the instruction how to make it. So that's all guys, I hope this video finds you helpful, and if you have any requests or feedback for this video, please don't worry to put it on a comment down below because we would love to see your comments there. And if you would like to share us about the AI that can do the same like this, don't worry to put it on a comment down below too guys, because we would love to create the video from your suggestion. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.